when we move forward according to the syllabus of three-dimensional geometry chapter, we come to know that after lines, we have the next topic as planes. And in between these major topics of lines and planes, there are some topics which include both the concepts of the line as well as plane. The other thing which I told you in the very beginning of this chapter is that this chapter requires a lot of imaginative skills. You have to imagine, you have to visualize, because nothing and everything is not possible to be shown on pen and paper. So the next topic in succession to the previous topic that we have studied is skew lines. This is read as skew lines. What are these lines like? We already have studied about the parallel lines, intersecting lines, right? Parallel lines which have an equidistant approach or equal distance whenever we move throughout. Intersecting lines which have a common point of intersection. So if I have to talk about skew lines, these are the lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting. Now you might think, how is that possible? Because if we have studied so far that intersecting lines are there, that means they cannot be parallel, and parallel lines are there, they can never be intersecting. So how is this like neither parallel nor intersecting, and is this possible at all? So yes, my dear friends, this is possible. This is possible. This definition exists. Now you have to imagine, when is this case possible? So skew lines are possible when these lines we are talking about do not lie in the same plane. Because if these lie in the same plane, they either have to be parallel or they have to be intersecting. But if there are lines which are neither in the same plane, one is in different plane, the other is in different plane, definitely there are cases in which they might not be parallel also and might not intersect too. Suppose this is a line which is going from here to here, right? In the same plane, if I place this line, definitely this will be perpendicular. That means there is a point of intersection, right? But if I do like this, so these lines will never be parallel and they might never be intersecting too. So this is an example of skew line. Definitely this cannot be shown on a pen or paper, but it can be visualized. And so with the knowledge of skew lines, we are going to fall into much more depth in the next videos with the topics based on skew lines.